This is my first time showering in front of somebody. Okay, it's not that serious. Welcome to my bathroom. My bathing chambers. Ta-da! The magic of cinema. Cinema! Okay, so all of my Fenty hair products are currently in the shower right now. So normally I would have my Denman brush to detangle my hair, but I haven't bought a Denman brush in like 3 years. This Evolve, it's kind of like a dupe of the Denman. It's got the same shape. The Denman is definitely stronger, it's more sturdy, and this pink part comes off quite easily. But if you just remember to hold this down while you're brushing your hair, honestly, it's not that bad. I guess more bang for your buck, but like if you want to avoid having this pop off every 5 seconds, definitely go with the Denman. I used to use a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. Not anymore. I find that I don't really need it with the Denman. I'm gonna detangle this though. I don't, prior to my showers, detangle dry, because I find that, did I braid this or twist it? I freaking braided it.
What is it, the braids?
Why do I do this to myself? Oh, I get to use my new product to take this down. Oh yes, baby. My hair is the type of hair that needs that slip before I even attempt to put a brush or a comb in it. I love my natural curls. They are quite a hassle because I just have so much of it. But I mean, as you can see, like, I'm pretty toned, and it's all thanks to this big ol' mop on my head. Like, me doing my hair, you can see the muscles in action. Like, that's why my arms are quite defined. Without further ado, let's turn the shower on. This is my first time showering in front of somebody.
Hello! And now we are going to be trying the shampoo and conditioner. I don't want to bore you with a bunch of idle clips of me showering, so I'll try not to include too many and speed this thing up. So what's pretty much going to be going down is I'm going to be trying the products and rinsing. Blah, 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 rinse, blah, 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 rinse. So, yeah, you get the idea. And here is when I realize something's wrong.
Okay. I forgot a towel. Okay, this is the first part. I got my hair wet. It is quite long. I don't want to show you because this is okay, so the rich one. How do I open this? Do I turn it? Yes, I do. Okay. 1, 2. Ooh, did you see that? I don't know if you saw that. That one pump, there was so much in that one pump. Okay. I suffer from dry scalp. I tried to implement a hyaluronic acid serum for my scalp, but I'm just so bad at using it. This stuff smells so good, by the way. I don't know if you can use hyaluronic acid on your scalp when your scalp isn't like perfectly clean. Like, my hair doesn't get dirty until maybe like the 4th or 5th day, but I still feel a type of way about putting the serum on my scalp when my hair isn't perfectly freshly clean. If someone can tell me in the comments, like, if I can do that. Also, this is like a silicone scalp scrubber. It's not like, it doesn't scratch your head, and it really makes your scalp feel so clean. I love it. I got mine from TJ Maxx for like $5. It's by Farm Skin. I don't know why they would name it Farm Skin, but but it really works really nice. So there's that. Anyway, I'm gonna rinse.
And I guess I had something to prove to y'all because
When I say I love Fenty, I love Fenty, okay? I'm gonna wash my face.
this is the last voiceover I'm going to do, but thank you guys for watching and enjoy the rest of the video. Bye!
We're rinsed. All right, next step is le après shampooing. I don't know how to speak French. Normally what I like to do, I'm only doing this for research purposes, but normally I like to detangle my hair first with this, the Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Conditioner with 100% virgin coconut oil. I love this stuff. It smells so good. Normally I use this to detangle my hair, and then I'll also use it to condition my hair. But we're gonna use Fenty Hair. So this is the rich one. Okay. All right. It's 'cause she's thicker. She's not giving that like perfect pump of product. Okay, alliteration. Ah, it smells so good. It smells nostalgic. Like, I don't know what it is. It smells like going to the mall with your mom as a kid when you were in like kindergarten. I don't know. I did 2 more pumps. So I think I used 4 pumps total. The first one didn't count. If you saw it, it didn't count. So I used 4 pumps in total for my whole head. I feel like that should be enough. It's a long process. I think my full detangling can take up to 20 minutes. Actually, the full hair routine, I've timed it. The full hair routine in the shower takes 20 minutes. That's done. Wait, this conditioner, that did not take long at all to detangle. And this is tangled, y'all. Section by section is the best way to do this, because if I try to do it all at once, nothing gets done. I repeat, nothing gets done. And the sections that I take are like, maybe like 1.5 inches in width. So pretty small sections. Look at all that conditioner. I don't know if you're gonna see all that, but it's definitely working its magic. This is all the hair detangled. The Denman and the Denman dupe. Like, do you see this curl? We're going in. It feels nice. It feels clean. And it feels moisturized. My hair right now, it feels really nice. Like, I'm pretty sure I rinsed out all that conditioner and it still feels like soft and luscious. I don't know. Maybe it's placebo, but I'm really here for the Fenty hair. Like, she really doing her thing with this one. I will do my, the rest of my styling in just a bit. I've never used this, but I'm just gonna use how much I think I would need. That looks pretty good. Rub it in, emulsify it. Let's get that extra on both hands. And then I like to do one hand for one side of my hair, the other hand for the other side. And then I just kind of moisturize it. This feels so nice. It feels like slippery though, like more serum-like. I don't know, like, I like it. It's definitely moisturizing. I can feel that. That's crazy. Shiny, defined, and moisturized curls that stand up to humidity. Stand up to humanity. Yeah, that's right. Stand up to the man, y'all. To humidity. Well, that's a bold claim considering I live in Georgia. It gets super duper humid here. This ain't doing what I thought it was gonna be doing. I think I need more. That felt like a lot though. I'm used to like using butters and stuff for my hair. This is like, I can tell this stuff is soaking into my strands. Like I can feel it soaking into the hair shaft because it's disappearing rather than sitting on top. Which is really good, by the way. It's just different from what I'm used to, so maybe that's why my curls aren't doing what they normally do. It smells really good though. Like probably a quarter size is good for my hair. I have really long hair. It wasn't always this long. I feel like when I moved back home to Georgia, my hair started thriving again. And I don't know if it's the water here or if it was just my overall health and the fact that I feel better mentally and physically. I do like to brush my hair through one last time after I do a gel. Some people say, no, don't. I like to mix it. I don't care. That's the whole routine. I will show y'all what it looks like when it's dry tomorrow. Okay, so technically it's tomorrow. It's still nighttime, probably around like midnight. It's almost 1 actually, yeah. It's like 8 to 1. I just wanted to give a brief video on how my hair looks after the Fenty hair. So we've got a lot of definition. My only, I guess, gripe? Not really a gripe. It's fine. Is that like when I did brush out my hair after the gel, it did make my hair look a little bit frizzier than it normally does. I think it's just the nature of the product. So next time I do this routine, I'll probably do the brushing with the curling cream, but I won't brush after I apply the gel. And I'll probably just apply it, like do the prayer hands method of just like, you know, basically applying it to the outer surface of the curl. But I mean, I think it still looks pretty. I think it looks pretty good, so I'm liking it. And it smells so good. Like I feel like a queen. I feel like a queen. Like I want y'all to feel like a queen. So if you want to feel like a queen, go get Fenty hair. Just do it. I'm not even sponsored. They don't pay me anything. This literally came out of my pocket. Potentially, I used my credit card, but I will have it and it will come out of my pocket eventually. But yeah, like, just do it. Just get it.